It's tow trucker. I'm back at the yard. I got looks like we got some looks to me like we got another stolen vehicle. They don't usually go to the back of the lot unless there's a stolen vehicle back there. But they do have to come over here and check these cars. It definitely takes up a lot of their time coming over here and doing this crap. Especially when people report a car stolen after they get impounded. It creates a lot of problems. Anyway, we'll see how it plays out. Maybe I can find out what the story is on this one. I'm gonna walk back here and see if I can find out what we got that's stolen back here. Oh, you back again, huh? Yeah. We got another hot one.
Well, this one was involved in a robbery.
Which one?
The Volvo right there. Yeah, don't touch it.
I won't touch it. I document all these hot ones. Yeah, this one was involved in a robbery. That's what the gentleman said. Is that a carjacking? Oh, he's on radio.
Yeah.
Carjacked?
Yeah.
Wow. Where at?
Out in East Point, Florida.
East Point? Okay.
Actually, it happened over a year ago, so
Okay.
I'll stay here with you guys.
Okay. Wow. Surprised it took them that long to find a car. That's a long time.
Yeah, I help on your webpage on you got a YouTube page,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I talked to that a police officer, and he was actually really nice. They don't usually tell you. A lot of times they won't tell you what happened and why they're there. That they just come do their job. They're not really supposed to tell people what happened. But with this incident here, he could tell me because that they're not going to confiscate. They're not going to come get the car. It was carjacked over a year ago. And it's probably sat in an apartment complex for a year until we got hooks on it. That's what happens. Somebody loses a car out of state, they drive it here, and they're going to park it in an apartment complex. And this one just happened to be on one of our properties, so we recovered it. And it's up to the bank or whoever to come get it. If they want to come get it, it's up to them. But it was a stolen vehicle, stolen in a violent manner. And with all the stuff going on there, they're kind of backlogged with work, so that one will slide through the cracks. Whoever carjacked that car is probably going to get off on it. Who knows? They may already caught them. You can't never tell. Anyway, we're back on it again. Picking up this abandoned Dodge Stratus at this shop. The shop said it's been sitting here for 2 months, and the customer don't want to do anything about it. We're gonna walk over here and do some paperwork on it. How you doing? Oh, this thing is nasty. We got an expired tag. You got anything to prove it?
Yes, I do. I'm sorry, ma'am. Say that one more time. October 7th.
This particular girl over here, she actually she's paid her tag, and she could prove it on her phone that she had paid it. I verified it on her phone. She paid for her tag. I'm not going to tow somebody's tag, man, that can prove that they got a legal tag. I'm not gonna tow it. So I'm off to the next one. We'll see what happens. Huh?
The reason why this car is being whatever?
Is it, whose car is it?
It's my son's mother.
Okay, well, tell her, man, when she gets a sticker on that car, you know what that means, man.
What are you doing? What happened?
Yeah.
This is something about a sticker.
When you get a sticker put on your car, you know what's coming.
I didn't have a sticker.
Okay, well, they got a picture of you, this car with this tag
Really?
at the office where it was stickered.
I didn't have a sticker. Like at all. I never saw a sticker.
Yeah. I'm telling you, they got hey, we do it strictly by the book. The sticker's gone. They peeled the sticker off.
I never saw it.
Yeah.
Like I came
Okay.
out.
Where do they usually put the sticker at?
Yeah, where did they put the sticker?
Put it on the back or on one of the windows. They put it on one of the windows in the back. I can tell you this right here. Does the car run?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if
There's
you can
nothing wrong
drive,
with
if you
it.
can drive the car up to the office and talk to the office, that's your best bet. I'm not hooked to it, or you'd have to pay it out.
Okay.
I'm not hooked. I do it by the book. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? I do it by law.
Thank you so
But
much.
listen, if you get a sticker, don't just peel it off and act like you didn't get stickered.
I really did.
I mean, come on. I'm serious. Be real.
I address it, but I
No,
never
'cause-
saw.
But be serious.
Neighborhoods, I thought it's when cars have been parked for a long time.
Well,
No, I've
they
seen
do
it.
it because of the tags.
The stickers.
If you get a sticker, go
Yes.
talk to the office. Don't just peel it off and expect the guy not to tow it.
Okay.
All right, appreciate
Thank you so much.
it. Yeah,
I appreciate it.
have a good one. Anyway, that neighbor was sitting on her balcony. She went over there and knocked on their door and got him up, or I would have got a hook on it. She interfered with somebody that's got a 19 tag. Anyway, we struck out again. That's the way it goes. But she sat there and told me the car wasn't stickered. There's pictures. We got pictures in the office up here at this complex with the sticker where it was stickered on that car. She took it off with a razor blade, and it wasn't stickered. And I told her, look, next time you get stickered, don't just assume that the tow guy is not going to take the car because the sticker. We got pictures of the tag and everything, and that's just how we do it. Anyway, I'm gonna roll off. The people always interfere and try to save their neighbor. Kind of expected. Anyway, I just pulled into a property over here. They got something they called in. They want it towed off the property, so I'm gonna have to get with it. Hey, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Doing good, doing good. You got a Nissan van you need towed?
Yes.
Up on the hill?
I mean, it's like halfway. No,
Oh,
it's
it's-
like in front of 1345.
Okay,
So this is 052545.
okay.
Glass.
Glass. Okay,
I called the cops. Nobody.
okay. I'll go ahead and load it.
They hang up on the car.
It might be stolen or something. I'll go ahead and get it.
It doesn't look like it's stolen. Somebody put a cover on it,
Okay,
which I don't care because they
It's
don't
gotta
call
go.
to tell me.
okay. I'll get it. I'll load it up. You got it. Thank you. I'll be back in a minute. I see. That's the van right there.
Where y'all taking it?
Yeah. Yeah, let me get it for 1 second.
Moving it.
Well, it's got expired tag.
Yes, I know.
Let me give you the address.
I know it has expired tag.
And something about the. She said the police were called out here about the window being busted out or something. Listen, if anything happens like that, you need to talk to the office.
Okay.
Because she didn't know if it was, she didn't know anything about it.
You think I can boot something out of there?
Yeah, well, yeah, you need to get some, yeah, it's no problem. I'm not like that. Anything you need to get,
Thank you.
that's fine. Just be careful and don't get hurt. Hey, and just let you know, if you would have talked to her, she wouldn't have towed it. She just
didn't know.
She didn't know whose it was, and she didn't. And it's got a tires bad. She didn't know. And she don't. If she knew it was yours, she probably wouldn't have towed it. That's all I'm saying. She just didn't know whose it was. Didn't know what happened or anything at all. And that's why she towed it. Cause she's really nice. I mean, she really.
Man, we didn't know.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yes. But okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Y'all have a
you.
good one. Yep. Sorry y'all got towed. Yep. Person that runs the property, she wanted this car gone on account of suspicious activity. Somebody busted the window out of her car, or I don't know what happened, exactly happened. Her window got busted out of her car. The cops got called, and they did nothing at all to talk to the property manager. And that's why she towed the vehicle, because nobody contacted her about what happened. And she's a suspicious vehicle. Like I said, she don't know if somebody went to jail. She don't know anything about the vehicle other than the window got knocked out and the police got called. And she towed the car. It's got expired tag on it as well. So she's going to remove the car if she thinks the car's a problem, or if the person that owns it might be an issue. But in that case, you know, you got to talk to your manager. If somebody broke in your car or something, you got to let the manager know. I don't think that's what happened. I think it was something different. I think there was some circumstances we don't know, and even something the manager does not want to tell me about the car and what happened. Evidently, she didn't want to share the rest of the information with me. But there's a reason she towed that car, because there's always a reason. Well, whether we know it or not, she's got her reasons and she's justified on towing it. Anyway, peace.